Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, I started one Telegram group. So the interested candidates may join in that group, guys, and I kept the link in the description box of this video. And coming to the present content, here we are going to see the faculty vacancies notification in one of the government college. And here the multiple vacancies are there from the multiple departments. The selection is purely based upon the interview, and there is opportunity here for the non-UGC NET as well as the UGC NET candidates, and the salary is 50,000 rupees per month.
Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices.
I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is Tejpur University. It is a central university, guys, and here Tejpur University is looking for guest faculties for various departments as given in the detailed advertisement, and the interested candidates with the biodata and testimonials may register and appear before the selection committee as per the detailed advertisement which is available in this one. Of course, here the official website is also given here, so you may check down, guys. And this notification released on 12th January 2021. So it is a very latest notification, guys. And the Tejpur University is looking for the guest faculty for the spring semester 2021 as per the following details. So you may check down the departments are physics, and here the qualifications you can check down. Master's degree with 55% of marks. Along with that one, the UGC NET SLET or SET qualification must be there. And the next subject is mathematical sciences, the 2 vacancies. In the physics also 2 vacancies are there. And next one is the commerce, total 3 vacancies are there. So for guest faculty 1, M.Com for teaching accounting and taxation related papers. And the guest faculty 2, M.Com for teaching finance related papers. And guest faculty 3, M.Com or MBA marketing. So okay, for all these departments, the UGC NET SLET or CSI or NET is required, guys. Okay, along with the PG. And while coming to the remaining departments, that is mechanical engineering, food engineering and technology, okay, and electrical engineering. So for these departments, the UGC NET qualification is not required. So BE, BTech, BS and ME, MTech, MS or integrated MTech in the relevant branch. And the specializations are also given here, so you may check down. So here there are opportunities for the PhD, non-UGC NET and the UGC NET qualified candidates. And the PhD is mentioned as a desirable qualification here, not the essential qualification, guys. So these are the things. And while coming to the emoluments, appointed guest faculty will be paid 1,500 rupees per lecture, subject to maximum of 50,000 rupees per month. No other elements will be admissible. And the schedule of interviews are given here. Physics, food engineering and technology, commerce, mechanical, mathematical and electrical engineering. So date or day of interview 27th, 28th, 29th, 1, 2, 3, okay, Jan and Feb 2021. And the last date for registration or submission of application through email 22/1/2021. Okay, and here the respective email IDs are also given here, so you may check down. Interested candidates are to register their names along with the detailed biodata or CV as given in the Annexure 1, along with the filled in Annexure 2 attached herewith by email to the head of the concerned departments as stated above with the subject line application for guest faculty against advertisement number 1/2021. And here the walk-in interview online for guest faculty. That means you need not to go physically there. Okay. Here it is online walk-in interview is mentioned. That means you can attend the interview by sitting in your home itself. So candidates who do not register before the mentioned date and time shall not be interviewed.
Eligible candidates who register shall appear before the concerned selection committee through Google Meet as per the above schedule. The link for the Google Meet shall be forwarded to the shortlisted candidates before the interview. Okay. So these are the details, guys. If, for example, if the large number of candidates register for the interview by the last date, then the candidate shortlisted on the basis of academic qualifications and experience may be called for the interview. Fine. So these are the details. So please note down all these, guys, and share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of notifications. And please subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon to get the more notifications. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So please listen, guys.
Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these 2 courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys.
So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.